Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I want to make bamboo shoots seasoned steamed rice. We are Japanese people call takenoko gohan. Takenoko. We call bamboo shoots called takenoko. Gohan means steamed rice. Okay. So first step, I have to make a dashi. It's a best stock. This one is Kongo kezuribushi, sababushi. Okay, with kombu. And thin sliced bamboo shoots and with chicken thigh. I'm just chopped with shiitake mushroom and enoki mushroom boiled together. Make seasoned bamboo chicken soup. Then boil together with make a steamed rice. Okay, let's start cooking. Takes about 3 minutes. Okay. basic soup is done. Bamboo shoots and chicken and mushroom base soup. Just stir like this. So this soup is very important. I'm gonna set 3 measure in this line. Okay, 3. Just on line. Then bamboo shoots, chicken, mushroom, everything in. Okay. Like this. So you have to need space like this because getting bigger of rice after boiling down. That's why don't fill up. Okay, like this. You have to need like this space. Okay. So rice cooker. Making automatically, but I guess 45 minutes. Okay, see you 45 minutes later. Wow. Upside bamboo shoots, chicken and mushroom, seasoned steamed rice. Very tasty. Oh, so good. Good flavor. Chicken. So delicious. So this one is easy to make. You better try in your home. If you get the fresh bamboo shoots, you can make it. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time.